Hello everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal advisor at Dial Easy, and today we'll talk about concept and origin of labor laws. ठीक है, एक सोसाइटी है, इंस्टीट्यूशन है ना, कि सोसाइटी ऑलवेज चेंजेस. तो जो इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन है, जो उसका हिस्टोरिकल फिनोमिना है, दैट कम्प्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म सोसाइटी फ्रॉम रूरल to agriculture to industrial and consumerist society. समझ रहे हैं? The changes brought by the industrial revolution left some gaps. अब वो gaps fill कौन करेगा? Obviously it's the society's responsibility to fill those gaps. Okay, society turned to certain devices known as labor laws. ठीक है, वो labor laws result है industrial revolution का. And they were created to address the problem that they have caused. They differ from ordinary legislation in that they are meant to address unique issues brought on by particular situation. As a result, their orientation, philosophy and concepts are specific rather than general. Now, industrial society resulted in over-exploitation of the working class by employers who took advantage of the individual workers' dispensability and sought of the highest profit from their investment. Due to the capitalist axiom that risk and right go hand in hand, they had the authority to hire and fire. The law at that time was included ideas like master and servants. Among others, the common law principle was in effect. The terms of the contract were typically verbal and were mostly used in cases of breach, which resulted in prosecution and imprisonment of the workers. Okay, now the purpose and scope of labor laws have evolved over time. Earlier labor laws were enacted to protect employers' interests. It was governed by the laissez-faire doctrine, which entails a policy of minimal government intervention in economic affairs of individual and society. On the other hand, contemporary labor law aims to safeguard employees from employer exploitation. The foundation of the welfare state doctrine is the concept of progressive social philosophy, which has rendered the previous doctrine of laissez-faire outdated. Now, the hire and fire and supply and demand theories, which enjoyed unrestricted application under the previous laissez-faire philosophy, are no longer valid. We'll talk about the evolution of labor laws in India in the next video. Thank you so much.